Respiratory diseases affect the health of millions of people in Kenya. Cooking with biomass like firewood is a big part of the problem, and government data shows a growing number of Kenyans are doing it. Affordable, clean cooking options are too expensive for many Kenyans. Here's a report from Kiambu County.
Jane Muthoni is collecting firewood to light a fire in her kitchen. The structure is made of iron sheets. Soon, the roof, walls, and wooden pillars are covered in soot. As she blows on the flame to make tea, the 65-year-old is engulfed in smoke.
I have been using firewood all my life and wake up every morning to fetch it. However, the smoke from the firewood makes me cough for long periods and causes difficulty in breathing. LPG gas is quite expensive and I cannot afford it.
Respiratory disorders have been the most prevalent health issues in Kenya for the past 6 years. A recent study says 19.6 million cases have been reported. Biomass, such as firewood, is the biggest culprit.
It's not only carbon monoxide. Actually, one of the causes, the biggest problem is the particulate matters. The particulate matter is usually the one that we call PM 2.5. And that one there, you find that it is the one that is associated with pneumonias, is one that is associated with asthma, and so on. And it is usually brought around by fuel for cooking.
Data from Kenya's health ministry says chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is responsible for 1.7% of deaths in the country. People in low-income areas are diagnosed with respiratory diseases far later compared to the middle class in urban areas, where there is better access to healthcare. Overall, 9.1 million households rely on traditional cooking fuels. Companies like Burn Manufacturing have come up with clean cooking options, but high prices remain a big obstacle for their use on the ground.
If we want to deliver a truly clean, truly efficient solution to users across Africa, it needs to be affordable for them. So where we've seen a lot of impact on that today is with carbon and climate financing, where carbon financing is able to come in and help us subsidize the cost of the stove to the end user. So we can bring a stove down from, say, $50 cost to just a few dollars of cost. In some cases, a 95% reduction in cost.
Globally, 2.3 billion people rely on open fires or fossil fuels like wood, charcoal, and kerosene for cooking. The World Health Organization attributed an estimated 3.2 million deaths in 2020 to household pollution, including over 237,000 children under 5. In sub-Saharan Africa, more than 900 million people depend on these fuels, and the number is rising. Africa Bureau, WION World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.